Hello, my name's Sarah Allen. I'm an author and illustrator of picture books, and this is my studio where I make my stories come to life. I focus on the natural world, especially Australian animals, and one of my favourite things to draw and write about is birds. I get inspiration for my stories when I go walking in my neighbourhood or sometimes further away, and wherever I go, I love to watch birds. They're always up to something. Today I'm going to read Busy Beaks. To recognise any of the birds on the cover, I created this book to share my love of birds. Busy Beaks, written and illustrated by me, Sarah Allen. Cockatoos screech across morning skies. The warble of magpies not far behind. Pelicans fishing for breakfast in groups. Swans gliding slowly, then bobbing for food.